We're at Monterey, we're at Pebble Beach right now, and Mini has rolled out a couple cars that are on US soil kind of for the first time. One definitely for the first time. First off, we've got the Mini Cooper SE, which we'll take a look at in a second. That's a car that did show up in New York recently, but this is its kind of unofficial debut. And then something much, much faster. This, of course, is the GP. 301 horsepower, carbon fiber everywhere, front wheel drive, and I have to say, pretty impressive in person. Look at these fenders. Look what Mini has done here. It's a resin-backed carbon fiber, cut out for the fuel filler cap, which is interesting, of course. Blacked out everything. You can't really see too much inside, but you can definitely see that digital cluster, and of course some special steering wheel there. Seats are the same as other JCWs. Rear seats are gone, of course, and then up front you've got that wonderful fender, which goes all the way down and kind of seamlessly blends into that lower balance, which has had some history with Mini fans. A lot of people don't like it. Here, gotta say, it kind of makes sense. Some interesting little details here that we haven't seen before. These little notches. This protrudes a little bit more than it has in the past. From a body standpoint, there's no changes other than those fenders, which is interesting. Wheels, looks like the track is slightly wider. Of course, those 4 spokes are here. Not sure if I love them personally, but definitely follows tradition. And again, you see these fenders. I mean, such an interesting design choice Mini's made here. I love it, absolutely love it. And then again, you've got that really cool digital display. And to finish it off, how about that wing? This is the largest wing ever fitted to a Mini in production form. Let's assume it's quite functional. So early thoughts on this thing, I've got to say it's really stunning. It's a car that is purposeful. It looks the part finally, and you know, we just saw the first generation GP roll by, and that was a quick car in terms of how it was put together, and it shows in retrospect. Of course, it's an amazing car, but here Mini's done something different. They've really truly created a car that you could consider an M-type product for the Mini brand.